Hey guys, Courtney Treadwell here at Huffman Nissan in Frankfort. Today we're going to talk about how to set your lift gate on your Nissan SUV. Today we're going to be using a 2018 SL Murano in the Midnight Edition. Sometimes the extended height of the automatic lift gate is a little too high for your garage or your carport, so it's pretty easy to adjust your automatic lift gate height. All you have to do is pull your lift gate down to your preferred height, and then you want to hold your automatic lift gate button until you hear 2 beeps. And then release. Go ahead and close your lift gate. And then go ahead and open it up again. And you'll notice that it raises to the height that you just selected. Also, don't forget, on your Nissan Muranos, if you wish to turn the power off to your automatic lift gate, go to your glove box and you can access the on-off power door button. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please give us a call if you have any questions.